Use synthetic division to divide x to the fourth minus x cubed minus x plus 2 by x minus 2. The dividend is x to the fourth minus x cubed minus x plus 4, which is a polynomial of degree 4. The leading term is x to the fourth with the leading coefficient of 1. The coefficient of x cubed is negative 1. The coefficient of the missing x squared is therefore 0. The coefficient of x is negative 1, and the constant coefficient is 2. To set up synthetic division, we would need to write the coefficient for every single term, starting with the leading term. Synthetic division only works if we divide by a binomial of the form x minus k, where the leading coefficient of x is 1, and so in this case, k is 2. We write the number k, in this case it is 2. If the divisor was x plus 2, we would need to write minus 2 instead. And then we would write the vertical bar with the long horizontal line. In this, we will put the coefficients of the numerator. They are 1, negative 1. Don't forget the coefficient of the missing x squared term. And then negative 1, 2. Skip a line and draw another horizontal line. Now bring down the leading coefficient, which is 1, and put it below the second horizontal line. Take this and multiply k. 2 times 1 is 2, and put the result in the next column. And then add the numbers in the second column. Negative 1 plus 2 is 1. Then take this 1 and multiply k. 1 times 2 is 2. And then add the numbers in the third column. 2. Take the 2 and multiply k, and then write the result in the next column. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 goes into the next column. And then add the numbers in that column, which is now 3. Repeat. 3 times 2 is 6. Write 6 in the next column. And then add 2 plus 6 is 8. And then we stop. The last number in the last row will give us the remainder. And we start moving to the left. Once we obtain the remainder, the rest of the numbers in the last row will give us the quotient. The number next to the remainder is a constant term of the quotient. The number next to it on the left is the coefficient of the x term. Next to it, to the left, is the coefficient of x squared. And then next to it, x cubed. Putting this together, we write x to the fourth minus x cubed minus x plus 2 over x minus 2 equals the quotient 1x cubed plus 1x squared plus 2x plus 3. Plus, to write the remainder, we would write 8 over the divisor. Alternatively, we can write the numerator x to the fourth minus x cubed minus x plus 2 equals the quotient x cubed plus x squared plus 2x plus 3 times the divisor x minus 2 plus 8. In this example, if p of x is x to the fourth minus x cubed minus x plus 2, and the divisor d of x is x minus 2, then the quotient is x cubed plus x squared plus 2x plus 3, and the remainder is 8. And so we wrote p of x equals to the divisor times the quotient plus the remainder.